ain't shown me no love, so I turn my back to you. Yeah, yeah. I can't get no racks to you.
To my young ladies, I mean, young girl from teenager to whatever age, if you are still living with your parents, I'll be glad to tell you that you are still lucky to make a choice in your life. You are still lucky to choose your path in life. So, at this point of your life, you still have opportunities. That is, your parents still fend for you, you are fed, certainly lodged, and your only concern is do the right thing to make a path for yourself in life. The first step, which is the most important, is actually to fend for yourself as an individual. Don't fend for yourself as a future wife, because a future wife is not a job. Looking for the way you can get married to X, to Y, or to Z is not a future job. Your future job is that job you'll be having and earning at the month end for yourself to plan for your everyday future, for your expenses, for your savings, and for everything. Now, if you know that you will get married at a certain point, which is actually what, let's say, the humankind, the human being, even animals, they mate. So we know, all of us, that at a certain point, you know, of course, that you need a companion. So the companionship at that moment has come because you feel like you need a friend. You need a closer friend. You need an intimate friend. So the intimate friend doesn't come in your life as a life saver, as a financial life saver. So you young girl of today, you are free. You are still to make your choice. You are still to path your future. There's no time that is late. So you still have the time to see clearly to what you are going to do. So you don't have to jump into somebody's hands because you want those people, you want that person to be responsible of your future. He is not supposed to take care of your future. He is supposed to take care of himself. And when you come along, you join together and look at the future together. You look at the future together. You are not there as a sort of let's say a child he has to bring up. No. If things go well, if you make a family together, then you raise your kids together. Sorry to say, because some people think I'm waiting for a sort of Prince Charming. So we live in a world where girls think they are Cinderellas and they are waiting for Prince Charming to change their lives. Please, let's first of all think of changing our life for ourselves. Then that other thing people are looking forward to should be a thing of happiness, not a sort of financial fit. Because if you get into that situation because you check the financial fit, you might live with lots of regret. Don't want to go into details because it's a large topic. So this morning is just to tell you that you are powerful, you are mighty, because the Lord put it in you, because He made you complete. You only be complete in your soul when you meet your soulmate. But let's say your soulmate doesn't come into your life to fit in financially. Let me say this once more. He doesn't come in to fit in financially. It's a mistake. Young girls do. It's a mistake. Girls do. I know to a certain extent that there's what they call gigolo, but let's say that's a different entire topic. It's not something of today. That could be a different day. But what goes for a girl goes for the young man. He should not jump into something because the girls come from a wealthy family or because he thinks that you gain something from her own family or from her. He will end up getting to places where I don't want to name here, places of frustration, places of let's say, bitterness, which is not what he has bargained for. Although he must have bargained without knowing the terms of the bargain, right? This topic is a wide one. It's a large one. We'll talk about it more in other videos. Thanks for listening. Nice day.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.